Good evening. I decided to upload my program test for palindromes as well. Instead of just copying the code that you've supplied, I wrote my own solution. In the function to test for a palindrome, I return true if the original word that is received in the argument is equal to the reversed word. So here I use a for loop to reverse the order of the letters in the input string. You start at the length of the string -1 with a for loop, because the letters are, the characters, individual characters are numbered from 0, and you have to end with -1 because the last index is not used in the for loop, and then you have to decrease the value with every iteration. So here's this is the function, and then instead of just putting fixed values in, I decided to use the while loop to continuously ask for words to test whether they're palindromes or not. And then if the function call is done here, and if the function returns a true, you display it is a palindrome, or else it's not a palindrome. And then to do the iteration in the while loop, you ask, do you want to test another word, yes or no? And then it tests for the input of either a capital or a lowercase y. If it is a yes, you want to do another one, then again it's true, and then the while loop will execute again. Let's see what the output looks like. Enter a word to test. So, madam. Madam is a palindrome. You want to test another one. Let's say yes, a small lowercase I. Enter a word, race car. Race car is a palindrome. So I want to test another one. I'll use a capital Y now, just to show that it also looks for capitals. And now I'll just put in something else, like just car. Car is not a palindrome.